Go ahead.
Are we on?
Yes, we're on.
Okay. I'm pulling out some dark colored fabric. We're going to try some discharge dyeing with stamps. So we have our fabric, we have our plates, and on one plate we're going to put chlorox in water, and the other plate we're going to put vinegar in water to stop action of the chlorox. So we're going to take a stamp once we spread out our fabric, and I haven't put the chemicals in there yet, but we'll have the chlorox over here. We'll stamp on the chlorox, then we'll stamp on the fabric, and then we'll stamp on the vinegar, we'll stamp away. Try another stamp. Stamp on the chlorox, stamp on the fabric, stamp on the vinegar, stamp away. And then once we've stamped it as much as we want to, we're going to take the water bottle that's got 2 cups of water and half a cup of vinegar in it and spray it to stop the action of the chlorox. And then we'll take it over there and iron it, and then it'll give us a quick dry on the fabric. So that's what we're getting ready to do.
All right, why don't you do the first one and then I'll jump in and join you.
Okay, so we're gonna pour some chlorox to get this out of the way on this first. So we put a couple plugs of chlorox, and we put a couple plugs of water, and we put. Oh, we didn't bring out the vinegar, but we'll take some of this out of here. Vinegar and water is what we want over here, so we'll just put a little bit of this vinegar and water over here. And then we'll put it back in our spray bottle. And we have our chlorox. Alright, so we're going to start with a piece of black fabric, because I know it works on that. And then I've got some colored fabrics that we're going to also try. Put on the black fabric, spread that out. We're going to try a ladybug stamp. We're going to stamp it in the chlorox. We're going to stamp it on the fabric. And we'll make a couple. We'll do another ladybug.
It doesn't look like it shows up, so you're just seeing a wet mark?
Yeah, you're seeing a
wet
mark,
and then it'll change.
And then it'll gradually change. So we'll do 3 of those, and then we're going to put him over here to stop that action. So
the stamp, you're stopping the, you're kind of cleaning the stamp off,
yeah,
basically.
Yeah, cleaning the stamps.
Okay.
We don't want to damage your stamps.
Okay.
And then we'll try Dan Spring stamp, see if that works. So this is a hand-carved stamp, and we're just sticking it in the Clorox, getting it good and soaked with that stuff. Then we're going to stick it over here on the fabric. Press it down good, and we got lots of newspaper under our fabric so we don't damage the table. And then we'll peel it off. I don't know about that one, we'll see. And we'll stop the action. But these other guys are not changing a whole lot.
I wonder if we need, is that pure Clorox or was that diluted?
No, that was diluted. Maybe I diluted it too much. We'll try a little bit more Clorox. We'll try our ladybug again. And we should get action with this one, or we'll try a different fabric. And you can see it's kind of wet.
Maybe do the Dan Spring one again, or do you think
I think we're going to try another piece of fabric.
Okay.
That one, I'm not seeing a whole lot happening there.
So should I go ahead and iron that fabric, or you want it to dry first?
We'll let it dry a minute, and then we'll spray it with the vinegar.
Oh, okay.
We spray it with the vinegar once we've got the action that we want.
Okay.
We'll try this one. Make sure we got any vinegar off that stamp.
How are you putting that? Oh, this is a new piece of material. I was
Yeah,
going to say on top of the other stamp, but this is new.
It's a new piece of material. We're going to see, because every piece of material gives you a different kind of reaction, and some of them.
And these are already pre-washed, so they don't have any sizing in them, right?
Right. We hope. It's a thought, but they should be pre-washed.
Yes, and preferably a natural fiber, cotton or linen,
yes,
right?
Yeah.
Would it work on a blend?
You can always try, experiment, see what it does. No, why is it not doing anything? Maybe I didn't wash them like I should have.
Well, we'll pause here.